Are you worried about your expensive auto repairs and don't have enough funds? Don't worry, we have a solution. Fix now, pay later. You need tires and no cash. Fix now, pay later. You need brakes and no cash. Fix now, pay later. Your oil needs changing. Fix now, pay later. No down payment, no credit checks. Fix now, pay later. All you need to pre-qualify is a mobile phone, email, active bank account, and a minimum of $750 monthly income. Fix now, pay later. Go to our website, affordablemechanics.com, to get started. Fix now, pay later.